Well, it was a milestone that was expected and anticipated. 1 million deaths as a result of the pandemic, a figure that President Biden described as tragic. The vast majority of the deaths, though, have come during his time in office, the first days of which last year saw the rollout of vaccines across America. Since then, though, highly contagious variants have spread across the country, and his administration has battled reluctance from some Americans to get vaccinated. Currently, only 66% of the population is fully vaccinated, and that's despite easy access to vaccines. Well, speaking at the opening of the COVID-19 summit, US Vice President Kamala Harris paid tribute to the lives lost.
I recognize all the pain that has been endured by them and those who have lost loved ones around the world. I believe we owe it to their memories and to the millions of other lives lost around the world to renew our fight against this deadly virus.
Harris said complacency was not an option and called for continued action. President Biden has asked Congress to approve more than $22 billion of extra funding to combat COVID in America. $5 billion of that would go towards helping global efforts to fight the virus. But Congress has stalled so far on passing the funding, with lawmakers and the Biden administration itself prioritizing passing more emergency aid to Ukraine. President Ramaphosa, described by the White House as a champion in the COVID-19 response across Africa, spoke about the need to boost the African continent's 16% vaccination rate.
The threat of new waves and the emergence of new variants is ever present because COVID-19 is not over yet. To avoid a return to the catastrophic early days of the pandemic, we need to get many more people across the world vaccinated.
The president said South Africa is donating 15 million vaccines to other African nations. However, despite the summit's efforts to reinvigorate the international response to the pandemic, China was noticeably absent and Russia was not invited. Nick Harper, SABC News, Washington.